Hey YouTube, here's today's project. We got that tree with a lean with the posted sign on it in the center of the screen. It's been dead. It's got a hard lean over the driveway. It had 5 tops in it. 2 of the tops dropped out and it's dead, and we got some widowmakers and it's got to come down. So what I want to do is not drop it with the lean, because that would take out some other trees, but I want to drop it basically away from what we're looking at here. So here it is, looking at it from the side. All right, not bad. Not exact, but I'll take it. So here's my holding wood. You can see I did pretty good up here, keeping it tight. Then I was running out of wedge, so I went back in with saw, opened the cut up, but I left a Dutchman in there. And you can see where the tree actually crushed itself, and you can see on the other side this Dutchman that I left. When it hit, it popped the holding wood, and then it didn't go exactly where I wanted. So it's not a horrible thing, but it just goes to show you that this should have been cut back more at an angle to help that fall. But just want to show you that to you.